Have you ever struggled with body odor? If so, you are not alone. According to a study by the American Society of Aromatherapy, over 65% of women experience moderate to severe body odor. So what can you do to combat this problem? Here comes the body mist. In this video, I will tell you top 6 best body mist for women that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 6. Vera Wang Embrace Body Mist. Vera Wang's Embrace Body Mist for Women is a fragrance meant to invite you into a fanciful and independent world. It features pear blossom, green tea, and sandalwood, all fragrant and all associated with positive characteristics like confidence and sophistication. If you're ever a bath and body works mist collector, then you most likely had this one in constant rotation. An energizing scent that captures the essence of the empowered woman. The lemon blossom is citrusy and floral, and there is another as well, light, that is light and citrusy, and many uplifting. I put this on just after a shower and it smells so fresh and floral. With it not being a perfume, it doesn't last all day, so have to keep applying. It also has a sun exposure absorber in the formula to protect from UV rays. Number 5. Moroccanoil Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. If you have used Moroccanoil's aromatic hair product in the past, then you know that its signature scent is good enough to bottle up, and what's exactly what the brand did. Moroccanoil Hair and Body Fragrance Mist douses you from head to toe in a subtle floral veil with notes of amber. The spray also contains moisturizing argan oil and vitamin E to provide a hydrating treatment for your skin and hair. The scent is truly a perfect blend of slightly tropical berry, very little floral with a pinch of fresh out of the shower or spring rain. However, for the price, you have to douse yourself in it to even be able to have it last even an hour or two before reapplying. You can also use this spray as a room refresher to reset your space and cultivate a mood. Number 4. Philosophy Amazing Grace Satin-Finish Body Oil Mist. The light floral Amazing Grace scent is one of the brand's most notable fragrance, so of course the body mist rendition would land on this list too. Philosophy's Amazing Grace Satin-Finish Body Oil Mist moisturizes skin with sunflower and olive oils, leaving behind powdery floral notes of lily and musk. This is a great one to wear around folks who have aversions to a scent because it literally smells like fresh shower soap clean. It's not a heavy oil spray, it is satiny like described. This perfume mist is ideal for daily use to give you a boost of energy and a burst of freshness. The result of this body spray is a captivating and alluring fragrance, perfect for the romantic woman. It is delicate and but with a lingering softness that is both energizing and sexy. Number 3. Victoria's Secret Bare 8.4 OZ Body Mist. This mist is the lightest version of the fragrance. Scent notes of Australian sandalwood, mandarin, Madagascar, and Egyptian violet, perfect for a quick spray throughout the day. This perfume smells amazing and it's cost effective. It isn't overwhelming strong, but leaves you smelling very womanly. It is long-lasting. It's a refreshing take on fruity floral fragrance if you like sweater scent. This perfume mist is suitable for all skin types and provide a boost of energy and a feeling of well-being. The body mist spray is perfect for any occasion, making it a great gift for your loved one. Enjoy the beautiful floral aroma of this perfume mist and feel confident knowing that you're always smelling your best. This scented mist is also great for layering with other fragrances for a unique and personal scent. This is quite simply a must-try that will leave everyone guessing what you were wearing. Number 2. Sol de Janeiro Body Fragrance Mist. If you have used Sol de Janeiro signature booty cream, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, then you are likely familiar with how good it smells. Luckily for me, the brand decided to turn its moisturizer chicken scent into a line of fragrance, which includes this body spray. It's a very warm smelling undertone of vanilla with the top scent of Brazilian jasmine and sun musk. Not like a strong musky smell, but more like a yummy feminine girly smell. It's so light and buildable and such a great size. it makes well. With a lot of perfumes and creams, my only complaint is I wish it lasted a bit longer, but it is a spray and not a perfume, so of course it's not going to be as concentrated. A little bit goes a long way, with many pointing out the similarities of Ariana Grande's fragrance cloud. Number 1. Le Monde Gourmand Fruit Dew Dragon Hair and Body Mist. Le Monde Addicted for Fragrance Mist is a tantalizing and totally addictive scent that will make you feel like the star of the show. It features juicy notes of guava, pineapple juice, kiwi fruit, and coconut flakes. This long-lasting scented mist will leave you feeling refreshed and smelling delicious all day long. The scented mist is also great for layering with other fragrances for a unique and personal scent. It's fresh and clean but deeper. Try this one if you want a sexy, cozy scent. Note that if you have sensitive skin or are prone to challenging skin conditions like eczema, using this spray of hydration might be irritating. This reminds me a lot of Juicy Contour Vibula Juicy as well as Eddie Hardy Eau perfume. It doesn't have that musky finish though, refreshing and going to be great for summer after the bath.